You've probably seen them while you're out walking in your neighborhood, those colorful little flags and spray-painted lines on the ground. But what exactly do those marks mean, and who puts them there anyway? People like Nathan, that's who. Nathan hasn't always worked as a utility locator. For many years, he worked in the restaurant industry. But eventually, it was time to take his career in a new direction, and he decided that he wanted to gain a new skill set and signed up for a utility locator certification course. He's been working as a locator ever since. Today, Nathan has an assignment from Top City Communications. It looks like there's a residential construction project here in Lawrence, and Top City has fiber optic lines in the area. Nathan is on it. So, what happens once Nathan arrives at the work site? There are a few different methods that Nathan can use to locate underground features. The most common technique is called electromagnetic locating. For this method, Nathan uses a specialized piece of equipment called a transmitter to generate an AC signal. He'll need an access point to the cable that he's locating. This should do nicely. He starts by setting the transmitter to a specific frequency. Next, he attaches a clip from the transmitter to the access point. Now the current from the transmitter is flowing along the utility line. Finally, Nathan uses a receiver tuned to the same frequency as the transmitter. This allows him to follow the AC signal as it's conducted along the target utility, or in this case, a tracer wire attached to the fiber optic line. Now he knows the approximate path of the cable as it travels underground. Nathan uses orange flags to indicate the location of the line. Different colors signify different types of utilities. Orange will tell the excavator that the lines buried here are communication, alarm or signal lines, cables, or conduit. The site is now ready for excavation. Locators from other utility operators have already marked their lines, so the excavator will have a full picture of what's going on below the ground. Nathan uses the Kansas 811 app to update the status of the locate request. The excavator will be notified of the update by email. And that's all there is to it. Nathan's work here is done. Good job, Nathan!